Game launch blocked by the Engine Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. To start fixing Engine Library manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Engine Library, the Source Engine Core Library. It serves as the primary unmanaged orchestrator for source-based games, managing the data link between the renderer, the file system, and the networking subsystem. Failure prevents any game subsystems from initializing. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. If Engine Library DLL is preventing your software from launching, you likely need a graphics runtime refresh. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy DirectX files, and perform a GPU driver update to resolve any issues with hardware-accelerated or compute-based components. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Engine Library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Engine Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for Engine Library. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Engine Library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.